Hey everybody, Bob, Trade Genius Monday. I'm inside, it's too bright to film outside. Too many shadows, too many bright reflections. So in the kitchen here, Monday. Hey, Wednesday is really going to be an interesting day. NVIDIA reports. Market is really choppy, market's really nervous. And I wouldn't take too many trades here ahead of time unless you want to take some shots. A couple of day trades here and there. But what I think is happening now is that I'm assuming NVIDIA is going to report, and I think that'll probably be the end of the down move. 95% of the S&P 500 can start buying back shares. We go into seasonal upside here into Thanksgiving, and then another one into Christmas, and then another one into the first of the year. The quants are saying that potential 30% chance, 20% gains in for 6 months of next year. 5% chance that we actually have a negative first 6 months of the year. Bond market, if they keep lowering interest rates, rates down, market down. So I think we have this tension going into 2026, but I think the quants and the bond market will both agree second half of 2026 is going to be it's going to be a negative equity period regardless. So I'm not really going to wait that long. I've already shifted pretty much out of tech. I think tech is done, except for Tesla. I really like Tesla. There's a new ETF coming out tomorrow called TEST. Targets 25% return, low NAV erosion. I'm going to take a shot at that. I'm going to roll out of my ulti and into that. And then I'm still strong. My two biggest positions are ExxonMobil, TLT/TLTW. They have a roundhill product called TSYW that I'm waiting to see what the yields look like. I'll probably roll into that from my TLT positions. And then beyond that, my next biggest positions are in NVO, Novo Nordisk, which I sell calls against. And then I got a smattering of gold and silver miners. So that's kind of how I'm positioned. We having a good year. Posted the other day our results against the S&P 500 and against the NASDAQ. Basically the last 2 years have been stellar for them, but we beat them. We think we have a good system. Come check it out, tradelikeagenius.com. Teach you how to use it, and I throw trades out there every day. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.